YouTube! It's Gabby and Amanda
DIY!
and today we are going to show you how to make some super cool glitter glue slime.
And this is what it's going to look like. Oh.
And all you need is some glitter glue, some borax, and
Water?
some water. And something to mix with.
And bowl. Okay, so let's get started on how to make this awesome gooey product. Go get your ingredients. Go get your ingredients, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is have a cup of water ready
With some borax, and there's no amount, but you should have at least a tablespoon or two of water, of borax, and to go in your water and you can't just put the borax in, you need the water because obviously the borax won't be as affected. So what you want to do is...
And there's only about this much of water.
So we didn't fill the cup. You don't need a whole lot of it. You just need enough to make the slime that you want. So you're just gonna take some of the borax and pour a itty bitty bit into there. And you could add more, so try to add as little as possible at first because you could always add more, but you can't take them out. You'd have to start over.
And you have to stir a lot,
Yep,
really
so it's
well.
completely dissolved because you don't want those little grainy bits. You want your slime to be perfect. So we're just gonna mix and stuff. And a tip for when you're making the slime is that once we do the next step, which is the glue and the water together, you have to mix super slowly to avoid air bubbles. But if you mix fast, she's gonna pour in the water as I mix slowly, so it'll go nice and smooth. And it's good to have a friend around to help you, or your mother, or anyone who could just help you, and you know that will be good. And also choose a glitter glue that you like, because that's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like this butt slime.
Okay, and you can also, you don't have to use glitter glue, you can use regular
And food
white
coloring,
Elmer's glue, and you can add paint or food coloring. Okay.
And they both work the same. Just don't worry about the glue paint and the food coloring. They work the same. And we may do another video on
detergent
slime, which is just like the same thing, except you don't need borax, which many people complain in all the slime videos I've seen. We don't have borax in Australia or Britain. So if you're in one of those countries that you can't get borax, then just
check out our next video.
Okay,
so
check out.
We're gonna show you some of what the borax water looks like right now. Okay, so our borax water is completely dissolved now, as you can see, and we're ready to move on to the next step.
So now we're ready for the next step, which is to put some glue in a separate bowl, and we're using glitter glue. You can also use Elmer's glue and color it. But so you're gonna put as much glue as you want, as much slime you want. So for example, we're just putting in this much because we want this much slime. We don't want a whole lot.
Just a little more.
Okay, yeah, we can put a little more in there.
And our borax water is on the other side.
So that we can have enough. So we have our amount. This is how much slime you're basically gonna end up with. Maybe like a little bit more. But so you just want that well. And now she is going to pour in the borax water while I slowly stir. So
don't pour it, don't pour a lot of borax water in at one time. Just pour it really slowly.
So just like a tiny smidgen.
There you go. And then you're gonna stir it.
You're gonna see it's starting to slime already, starting to turn to slime, as you can see. But we're gonna add a little bit more, and the more slimier it's gonna get as we add more. And you just want it to all be in a big glob, kind of. See, this is already starting to form, but you kind of just wanna
still a little sticky though,
really get that consistency that you want, because you don't want to add too much.
Nope,
Let's feel. See, sticky.
So
the glue is very.
That's why I said you don't need a lot of borax water, because you're not going to use it that much. Because you only need a little bit. You don't have to pour in a whole bowl of it to make good slime.
And you really want to make sure you get all your slime, because you don't want to waste any of your ingredients. And sometimes it's better to mix with two people so it gets betterly blended. Or if you want to mix with both of your hands and just be crazy and just be creative, make the slime your own. Like make metallic slime, make color changing slime. You could use color changing paint for that. It's like a hack. But anyways, you could make there's so many different kinds of slime. You could use glow in the dark paint and make glow in the dark slime. You could just the possibilities are endless. We thought this glitter glue slime would be really cool, so we just tried it one day, and then bam, we had this, and oh my gosh, this turned out so cool.
I think we need a little bit more borax water, And then
Oh
after
my god,
that,
it's already turning into slime.
after that, you're ready to play with your hands, like now. And just knead it with your hands until it becomes the slime you want it to be. As you can see, she's playing with it and I'm playing with it too.
And it's actually not sticky, surprisingly. You'd think it would be sticky like glue, but it's literally not. Like, look. Bam, there's nothing but a little drop. And it's not all done. Kneading it is one of the most important parts. And you just want to kind of play with it a little bit. It's not going to be as stretchy as when it's done, but...
Change it to this. Whoa, okay. So, yeah, this is what your slime's going to look like. Sorry for that, I changed the filter to TV. And yeah, so we're just gonna play with it for a little while. And we will show you what it looks like after we're done kneading it. So we'll see you then.
Oh god, this is like... I need to...
Okay guys, so after about
5 minutes.
5 minutes or so playing with this slime, it turned into the beautiful sparkly slime.
And it's like just so pretty, and it's so worth making, and it's really easy. That literally took like under 5 minutes. We clipped it, so yeah. But
It looks like Elsa slime sort of.
it does. Like, you can make frozen slime for anyone, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.
Yep, okay, bye.